Thank you. When you light the entire eye, when they see people. Alright, please, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and still in the spirit of independence. I think happy independence to you all. Or should I say happy Nigeria at menopause? Because Nigeria 56, a happy independence. When another reply, no, you know this thing they had for. I don't say things hard. He had everywhere. He had everywhere. Even for drink, he had food where they chop for drink, not the take care. No, we know he had. No, serious. He get how this thing hard. For my house, the hardness don't they say all of us they pray, more they drink, they chop food. Now my mother called the warn us, Pico, Enyego Rinano, Erina. My papa will tell you, Enyego Rinano, Erina. But without hunger, now I enter sleep. Person they give me rice and chicken for dream. Fried rice and chicken for dream. I don't remember the advice when they give us. I can't start the shout. I told me fried rice yeah, na chicken, na no. I told me fried rice na chicken, na no. I don't say I now hello. My papa they walk out the here, they me they shout. I told me fried rice na chicken, na no. Now my papa called me, say Pico, wait, no chop. Make I go buy you food. My papa carry me go out, buy me food. I say they won't go. Anything when my father did, I go sleep. Start the shout. I saw me like ice cream, man. Now, my father go, I'm going to ice cream. Everybody goes to say in the walk, all of us for our house was scattered. Once our father did, we go sleep to give the shout. But my mama, the day when my mama joined this business, everything spoiled. The first dream when my mama dreamed, in the afternoon, my mama is sleeping. I tell her, Georgia, Nanlo. I tell her, Georgia, Nanlo. My papa here and wake up. Very on George. I'm waiting, George. My papa died, George. He know to her. She go again. I tell her 10,000 now. Nanlo. I tell her 10,000 now. Nanlo. My papa go again. Pick up 10,000. Can you give? Now my mama come fuck up. Out of the whole thing for this world, she no see. Now she go like that begin the dream. I saw Lexus 350. Now I saw Lexus 350. Now my papa will go there. Come put here, come here. I saw Lexus 350. Now my papa the ginger. It's again. It's all Lexus now. Upon the time you okay Lexus up, and I can put the name. Now stop is not this point. No serious. Now because of time, you know, one just pick up small. You know, we they celebrate independence, and we're going to celebrate Anambra too. At least if not for anything, I beg if from Anambra here, please, let's clap for the governor of Anambra State. It's not easy. I like that one so much. People who know Anambra and know Onitsha, you go know say Onitsha, noise wey dey there no be here. The way when they move people things no be here. Even the governor before they don't move in car there. So immediately he enter and bring out 3-point agenda for the people. The first one, he tell the whole Aboro. If you want to come to work, you go wear suit, come. Half of Aboro, stop work. Second one, you go to wear ID card. All of them go do ID card. But the one will come finish audition. No more speaking vernacular. No speaking. Use English, they look motor. If you come up, you wake. Hey, if you drop me, you go here. I want to wish you that they load motor. See how they load motor now. Also, enter. Emmanuel, enter. Oka, enter. Enugu, enter. Now you know girls they like make person they show in bad side. That's why to open on Iroka. Where will I stop before I get that problem? The guy look at, opposite, enter. Okay, enter. Enugu, enter. Bros, please help me now, help me out. I'm stranded here. What will I do? Now the guy gets up.